Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global shares edged up as investors reassessed U.S. Federal Reserve statements on inflation and looked to upcoming data for direction. Andreessen Horowitz is launching a $2.2 billion crypto-focused venture fund, the largest yet by one of the first big venture investors to wade into the digital asset world. The dollar slipped slightly in early European trade, having spent the week gradually edging away from two-month highs hit after the U.S. Federal Reserve's surprise hawkish shift.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. personal spending at 12:30 GMT, Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 600 GMT. Italy's business confidence will be released at 800 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.